Have a holly jolly Christmas. XOXO, Gossip Girl.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart.
Happy Vlogmas. So it is Saturday and we're not going to Disney World, but I am tearing apart my apartment and our office and my bedroom because I can't find the turtleneck that I want to wear. We're gonna go to the Tuscan Village today and check out my friend Christina. I helped her with her branding and like her set up her business that's there. She has like a little shop, the little Christmas, what are they called? Christmas market. So we're gonna go check it out, go say hi. And I had this idea of an outfit, and tell me if you guys are ever like this, but I wanted to wear this specific black turtleneck. And is that gonna stay? No. And I can't find it. And my office, this is where one of our closets is. This is a mess. And I mean, it's a mess, but it's an organized mess. And I cannot find this turtleneck anywhere. And I'm like, I saw a picture of me wearing it on Instagram. Like I wore it a few weeks ago. So I know it exists. I know I have it this season because it's not new. But I looked in the laundry. Here, wait, I'm gonna show you my mess. And just like, don't judge, this is just real life right now. But this is a pile from the photo shoots a few weeks ago. I still haven't put it away yet because I've just been so go. And we had family over and stuff. Checked all in here, it's not there. This is just a bunch of blankets, my backdrop sheet, and the pants I'm gonna wear today. This is from still the pageant that I haven't unpacked yet from, but it's not in here. I was like, oh, maybe it's all in this black stuff. It's not there. And I didn't even pack it for the pageant, so it wouldn't be in there. So then I checked in here, not in here. I just checked this. I'm like, oh, maybe it was in the back of this sweatshirt. No. It's not in here, it's not in here. And then I checked in the closet, one of the bigger closets. No, it's not. I'm like, wait, I was like, is that it? Oh my God. You guys, I freaking found it. Are you kidding me? The first thing in the closet. I literally was like this. I didn't even see it, right? And I went right to, I kind of organized my clothes in like type. I used to do color, but type is a lot better. So this is like my work shirts, right? And then my turtlenecks and my sweaters right here. And I saw this and I was like, it's missing. It's not here. I literally tore apart my entire closet and then the other closet we have in the bedroom, and just I was like, I cannot find this thing. But it was right there the whole time. Sometimes you just have to get really mad when you're looking for something and eventually you find it. It's like you look and then eventually just be like, where is it? And then it's right there. Well, I'm gonna get dressed then for the day and we're gonna get going. Okay, you guys, we have the outfit. That turtleneck tucked into these leather pants from Luxe Leisure. I believe they're blank NYC. And then this fuzzy coat, my little hat, and I just did white sneakers. So let's go today. I'm so happy that I found the turtleneck. It's like one of my favorite pieces for the winter. So I was like, where is it? Do we like the green? Or I also have a blue one from Booty by Brave Ants, but I think I kind of like the green today with the white, matches like the white shoes. So we're gonna go with this. All right, we're gonna meet Ty downstairs. He's with the dog and we're gonna go. We're gonna pick up this mess later.
Before.
You playing with the doggies? You look tired.
What are you doing?
You notice anything about me? Well, I know you're driving.
You found your turtleneck?
I found the turtleneck.
I wouldn't have, like, I don't think I remember seeing that.
I mean, it's a pretty black turtle.
It's just a black turtle.
Yeah, it's pretty plain. I literally took the camera vlog and I was like talking about how, you know, when you have organized messes, it might look like a mess to somebody else, but like I know exactly what's in each pile. So I was talking about it, then I went in the closet.
But you didn't, because it was a surprise when you found it.
Well, do you know where I found it? It wasn't in a pile. My piles are organized. It was in the closet. The first item in the closet, I didn't even see it. But here we are.
Because when I put stuff back, I don't necessarily put it in its rightful home. So I usually just put shit in the front because I'm assuming you will just rearrange it. I would have switched my jacket if I came back upstairs, but...
To the other jacket?
To my hockey jacket.
I think no. We're gonna go get some Starbucks. Well, I don't know if you did the closest one is at Target, so we're not doing that.
We're going to the one with the drive-thru.
Okay. Dad is back. First stop of the day.
Here's mine.
What'd you get?
I got a fresh cream.
Tastes good.
Did you want iced?
I wanted hot at first until I just saw your ice. Now I really want ice. So that's perfect.
Okay, good, because I was like, she didn't you didn't text me it, and then I'm like, if I know her, she's gonna want it ice.
The water for the doggy. Ollie, you want some water? Your first Starbucks. Oh, so gentle.
Babe, look what I found.
No, is that a lip seal? So good. Let's cheers our Starbucks. Cheers. Cheers. Yay. What is that song from? Love Actually? Love is all around us. Can you go out this way?
Yeah. Bites.
What is it?
Fried mac and cheese bites.
Oh, that's nice babies. That's nice babies. Ah. All right, what did we get?
Mac and cheese bites.
Mac and cheese bites.
Oh, good. Shopping area.
We're just going for a little walk. Away from all the things.
Yeah.
Ollie's just taking us for a little walkie walk. But it's so nice out, so.
Sharp rock.
Where are we? Where are we? Are we in LL Bean? Oh my goodness! Look at all the toys! Do you want to get one? Aww! Look at the little reindeer, it's like Christmas. The Christmas. It says Ollie Dog on it?
Spelled differently, but.
Aww. You gonna pick something out? You like the salmon? You look like a bear. What do you like? You like that one? You like that one? Huh? He's ready to check out. Okay, quick change, and now we are on our way to pageant office. I'm gonna help out Ava at a pageant casting call. And basically what that is if there's anybody who's been interested in Miss Mass USA or Miss Maine USA, it's basically like an information session too, where we inform them about the organization and how the pageant weekend works, what's needed for sponsorship, debunk some myths, talk about what to wear, and meet the girls too. And I think it's cool being at the information sessions and meeting the girls and the parents too, and have been a title holder. I think it's nice for them too to like ask questions to someone who's already like done it. So that's where I'm off to now, and it's like raining now.
Trying to change who you are, honey. You're fine, fine. All wonders and wings, all women with dreams. Tonight the world is ours. Hey, we're gonna have that girl talk, my girls tonight. We're gonna shake that load up, tear the heart to heart. Yeah, we're gonna have one or two or three.
Hello. It's so dark already. I was just calling Ty on my way home here, and I was like, you know what? Like, let's do something fun tonight. I was like, let's do a little fun activity. So I actually just stopped at Market Basket on the way home, and I'm gonna go get ingredients to make our own eggnog. I've never had eggnog before, like maybe a sip. My brother loved it growing up. I never really drank it because I didn't really like eggs. I still don't really like eggs, and I thought it was gonna like taste like eggs, but I guess it's really, really good. So we're gonna make a little eggnog. I was gonna say healthier version, but I don't really think it's that healthy because there's just like so much like sugar and stuff that goes into it. But I think we found a little recipe that might be like better, so we're gonna make that and I'll share it with you guys. Also, I have to pee, and I've never peed at a grocery store. I don't know where the bathrooms are, so I'm a little anxious. Like, I don't know, do you guys get this way too, like when you don't know where the bathroom is? Or like, I'm assuming it's in the back somewhere. Maybe it's in the front, I don't know. There's also a Marshall's right there. I know where the bathrooms are at Marshall's, so I can go there. But maybe I just like ask. I don't know. Why is this a thing? Why am I anxious about where I have to pee? But I do have to pee. I drank my entire water bottle and yeah, that's just how it goes. Let's go.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them.
Wow, babe, this looks amazing. Got some charred steak, my fave. Onions, also my fave. And smashed potatoes, also my fave. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
I missed you so much. I did. I did. I see your bone. I see your bone. You hit it. You hit the bone right here. I see it. What's that? Is this your bone? Is this your bone? Do you want it? Oh, good boy. You gonna go hide it? Okay.
Vlog, but the vlog's not here.
The vlog is here. You look so cute. We're doing coconut milk instead of, was it whole?
Coconut or almond this is like a keto, I guess, which is like a low carb.
What are you doing?
I'm just napping.
Oh, you were napping? And now I'm awake. Aw, they've been watching the Toy Stories. This time of night, this is the only best light that we have when you go like this. Okay.
I can't stare.
Okay, what is this? What's happening?
Dirt water.
Right next you need dirt water.
Milk.
That Boston dirty water.
And this has got to heat up and simmer. So now we're adding it into the egg mixture.
Okay.
And we got to do it slowly and whisk.
Okay.
Because then it will temper the egg yolks properly.
Even now, it's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here.
Well, we can't have it until tomorrow. It's gotta chill overnight, right?
I mean,
We'll have it like for breakfast.
I'm not gonna play it safe.
What's today? Day 3?
half hour each time.
Aha!
Okay.
Good boy. All right, Ty, you are number 3. And I am number 3. Oh, right here. Perfect. Look at his face.
Ooh,
What is that? It looks new.
nice. Looks like a Rolo, like a fancy Rolo.
Wow. Okay, number 3 for me.
Hey.
Oh, we got a little bit of whiskey.
Alright, we're gonna add it to our eggnog.
Oh, we should add it to our eggnog for tomorrow morning. Sunday morning. Cool. It's so cute. I didn't know what it was at first. I thought it was like perfume.
Nice little bottle.
Yeah, it's cute. Okay, so I'm gonna grab one from this bag, which is it says on the day that you don't get chocolate, you can pick from here as well. You have to have your eyes closed. I'm not looking. Ty, it said you have to have your eyes closed. You obviously just like felt around for the biggest chocolate in here when you got Santa. Let's see. What is this? Ghirardelli peppermint bark. Oh, my favorite. I love peppermint bark. We just saw this the other day at Williams Sonoma. Remember, I was like, I love peppermint bark. Yay! What's your favorite holiday candy? Go. Peppermint bark. Ty, we'll have to make some. Or maybe we'll make some with Mom. She makes a good one. Everybody say good night.
Good night.
Happy Vlogmas Day 4.
We need to start doing these advents in the morning.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll start.
Okay.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. XOXO. Gossip